Hey everyone, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. If you're new here, I'd like to say hi and welcome you. And stick around to see how I made this multi-purpose basket from Dollar Tree items for only $2. So the two items you're going to need from the Dollar Tree are this hanging basket and this fabric. It's like a it's called fettuccine, but it reminds me of the t-shirt yarn that you can get. This is brand new to the Dollar Tree by me, and this is a super simple DIY. And you're going to start off by taking the yarn, I'm just going to call it yarn instead of fettuccine, and you're going to tie a knot on one of the rungs on the basket. And then I just cut off a really long strand of it. I didn't measure it or anything, just as long as I thought I would need and a little bit extra. And instead of having it just wadded up, I wanted to wrap it around my hand just so it didn't get knotted. And then you're just going to kind of loop it through each little space on the basket. And you're going to wrap it around. And you have to pull it really tight because this yarn is kind of stretchy, so pull it tight so that there's no slack to it. And then you're just going to go all the way around the basket, and when you get to where you knotted it, try and tuck the little hanging piece from the knot underneath where you wrap it. You just keep on going, and every once in a while I would tie a knot just so that if for some reason it did come undone, it would stop, it wouldn't unravel the whole basket. It's funny because the whole time I was making this, my cat was watching me from the other room, and she finally came to check it out. And then when she walked away, she tried to take it with her. And then once you get to the bottom of the basket, you're just going to take the yarn and kind of just weave back and forth and go, up and over on each side. And you're going to want to pull that tight too. And you can do this as tight as you want and as many rows as you want. I didn't do a lot because I didn't think I would be putting, small objects in here. So then I took some of the extra fabric that I had. I have a bunch of these quarters that my grandma had given me from her craft room. And I'm just going to lay this in the bottom in no special way. And you can use this basket for, let's say, like a guest bathroom. So I'm just going to fill it up with stuff that I would put in there for a guest. Also, you can attach the chains that you took off in the beginning, and you can hang it for your K-cups by your Keurig pot, maybe. That way you still have counter space underneath. You could also use it just for some artificial flowers, or maybe even put a pot in there if they're real flowers. Also, you could use it as a fruit basket, which I think that was probably my favorite way to use it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple basket, and let me know if you make one and what you use yours for. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you Monday. Bye!